Okay, this is the fish kit StingRay. You'll notice with its unique design with one small cutting blade and one large blade. This scissor is unique to any other scissor in the world. With a normal cutting scissor, you'll notice as I open the blade edge angle is quite large, and as the blade closes, you'll notice that angle gets narrower and narrower. What this means is it's conducive to making the hair push slightly down the blade. With the StingRay, when we open the blade, you'll notice the edge angle. As I close it, it stays the same. It stays the same, and it stays the same. So what that means is it doesn't allow the hair to travel down the blade, meaning it is a perfect blunt cutting tool. When I'm cutting blunt with the StingRay, you'll notice this bottom blade has a curve on the blade. This blade, imagine if you're running. If you're running downhill, it's very, very easy. If you're running uphill, it's very, very hard. And it's exactly the same with this scissor. If I load my hair to the base of this scissor, it has to travel up this hill. So it makes it harder, so it slows the hair down, allowing you to cut blunt and cut off. The end is still soft enough so it will slightly push off, meaning that if you want to scissor over comb with this scissor, it will allow you to do that without creating lines and steps the whole way through your haircut. The StingRay is a precision cutter, but when I use this blade, as it's quite long, I tend to use this as a precision external or perimeter cutter, cutting outlines and shapes into my hair. Also, with this, I can come in, load to the base, and pull the trigger, and create sharp lines when I'm working through. As a perimeter cutter, it allows me, the StingRay, to come into my hair and pull the trigger, creating sharp with perimeter lines as well. Because this scissor as a blunt cutter has no serration on it, I can still manipulate and curve when I'm cutting a blunt line. So if I load to the base, and I can pull the trigger, creating perfect curvature around my haircuts.